Hello. Today we're going to see a program that implement an interface for the given question here. Program 1.7, write a Java program that computes the area and the perimeter of circle using interface. So to write the program for the given problem, first you have to create an interface as shown here. So what we do here? Previously, we have created a package chapter 1 overview. Our project is sample. So for each part, we are creating a separate and independent package here. So what we do here, we are going to right click on the package, Then we go to interface. We have an interface here. Then we came here and we see what's the interface name, interface set. So here what you write, interface circle. Then the project sample, location source package names, chapter 1 overview. The created file will be here. Then we make it finish. We are going to make finish. So we are going to remove all the comments to minimize the number of line of the code. Then just right click and the format. Now it is going to be rejected. So in this part, we are going to include this part is final static devil file. Here the codes final static data type devil, then file, which is equals to 3.214. And the second one, we are going to declare get circle area, get circle perimeter. So both of them are double, then double, get circle area is a parameter of int radius as an equal because if it did have an implementation part, the second part is double, get circle perimeter is a parameter of int radius. It is a way that you are going to create under. It is a way that you are going to create under. The second type, the second step is creating the Java class. This is a concrete class that implements So our class is interface circle class. So here right click on the package, right click new Java class, not Java main class, Java class, interface exact name interface circle class, interface circle class. This is a concrete class. The project is sample, location, package. Then so we are going to remove all the comments. Okay, right click, then format. What we are going to do, we have to implement the index. Then implement this, the interface circle. Now what will show us is going to show me with an array. The interface class is not abstract and it does not override abstract method, get circle parameter, interface circle. Create test class, create subclass, implement and implement the abstract class in the package. Chapter 1 overview, interface circle. So what we'll do here, there is a sign that looks like bulb, click here. Then what it says, implement all abstract methods, make class interface circle class abstract. So we are going to click on the first selected one, implement all abstract method. We click here, then automatically the methods that we declared in the interface are displayed for us. So what we'll do, we're going to remove all this line of words because they are not necessary for us. Remove all this part, then change this. So what we'll do? Public table get circle area, which is intraday as a parameter here. Since the data type is table, we are going to return Japan, and we are going to compute the area. Area is computed as pi r square. Pi r square. For the sake what we do here, we are going to use the math formula here. So return then pi multiplied with maths dot power then radius square because pi r square. Pi radius square. The formula for computing the radius is pi r square. The same way we are doing. So what we'll do here, we are going to return then pi multiplied with this multiplied with 2. 2 times 2 times pi times r. Because the formula for computing perimeter is 2 times pi times radius. This is a way that you are going to implement the interface by using the class. The substep is executing this class by creating an object for the given class. So what we'll do is we are going to create a Java main class named as interface main class. Here, what we'll do in the package interface, we are going to create Java main class, then interface main class. Finish. Then here is a main method that consists here. This will be shown in 3.4 in the execution. There is a main method. So we are going to create an object for the class, for the interface circle class. We are going to create an object for interface circle class and going to access the interfaces. So what we will do? We are going to do interface circle class, then circle, which is equal to this is an object, circle is an object. So what you do? New interface circle class circle. So by using this object, we are going to access circle dot get circle area. We are going to pass a value suppose for the same case circle dot get circle parameter. Suppose we are going to pass a radius for the same one. So this is the way we are going to access the method. So to make them to be display message, what you do is then print here area is, then we are going to concatenate. We are going to concatenate here plus, then finally we close at this point. The same case will be stem, then line. Here what it is very method is line. We are going to concatenate it. Remove this part, then parameter. This is the way you are going to do it. Now here, this message is to display area is like this. Now to check, we are going to run. We are going to run. You can right click in the workspace. We are going to run. Right click on the workspace. Right click, then run files in the main method. Then we are going to find the outputs in the console path. Area is this one, perimeter is. This is all about for today. If you liked the video, share, like, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.